Good evening everyone. In today's class we are just going to discuss about the topic antacid, and the page number what we are going to see is page number 67 and 68. And then in the last class we have discussed about that ORS solution. So what is meant by that ORS, and then what are all the uses of that ORS, for what purpose we are just taking that ORS. Okay, so these are all the things we have discussed in last class, and today what we are going to see is about antacid. What is meant by this antacid, and for what purpose we are going to take this antacid? Means antacid also a type of medicine which is just used to cure acidity. Acidity means what? That feeling, irritation feeling in our stomach, and then in the intestines, and even in the throat region, from the starting from the throat region till the intestines, that whole lengthy, that irritation, if it happens, means that is also called as acidity. Okay, why we are just getting this acidity means, see, usually in our stomach normally that hydrochloric acid, that HCl, okay, in short term we will tell it as a HCl. The full form of HCl, it is hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid, it is usually present in our stomach. For what purpose it is secreted in our stomach means by the gastric glands. For what purpose means to just make our digestion process easier. Okay, when it is present inside, our digestion, it will be very proper, but it also should be normal. Okay, if that range, it is acidic level, it is more, means what will happen? Normally that wounds and everything, it will be happen in that intestines itself. Okay, because more acid, it is not good for our health. Okay, so this acids, whatever it is present, it should be normal. See, normally that pH range, that lining a stomach layer, it normal pH range, it is 1 to 3. Okay, this is the normal pH range. Okay, so more than that, when we are just taking that unwanted food materials and the pH range, it is more than this, means what will happen? That normally we will be just getting this acidity, and also that similar diseases related to that acidity we will be getting off. Okay, for reducing that, what medicine we are using is antacid. Why we are using this antacid? Will antacid will cure this acidity? How we are telling this means, see, acid, okay, that hydrochloric acid, it is a type of acid which is present in our stomach. So when we are just eating that unwanted, that acid level, it will be more. To just control that acid level, we are going to use this antacid as a base. Okay, so in chemistry you may have learned that an acid with a base, when it is combining together, what it will happen? That process, it will be neutralized. Okay, because it will be completely shed off. That is what. So when we are just this acid level, it is more, we are going to this use this antacid as a base. For what purpose? For controlling that acid level. Okay, this base, it will be used. So acid and base, when they are just mixing together, what had happened? The process, it will be nothing. Okay, in such a way, it will be just reducing that acidity level. For that purpose only we are using this antacid as a medicine. Okay, so here if we see, these are all that just the common antacids what we are just giving as a medicine means, the first thing, it is a sodium bicarbonate. Okay, and then the molecular formula for sodium bicarbonate, it is NaHCO3. Na, it is sodium, NaH, it is sodium, and CO3, it is carbonate. Okay, so this is what sodium bicarbonate, and then calcium carbonate. For the calcium carbonate, it is CaCO3, and then the next one, it is magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium hydroxide, for this it is magnesium Mg and OH2. Okay, and then last one, it is magnesium carbonate, and magnesium carbonate MgCO3. So here if we take, these are all that are normal antacids what we are just using as a medicine to control this acidity. Okay, and also specially if we take this magnesium hydroxide, okay, this magnesium hydroxide, what it do is, when it is just used as a medicine, what it is doing, it is just neutralizing that process of hydrochloric acid. Okay, only this magnesium hydroxide, even it has a capability to just to reduce the, okay, acid level. This means this hydrochloric acid level, if it is more, means this can be neutralized by this magnesium hydroxide, because it has the capability to just reduce this power. Okay, that is what, these are all the different types of antacids. For what purpose we are using? For just using it as a medicine for this acidity. Okay, this is what acidity means. And then if we take, and here if we take, see, consider this as our stomach. Okay, in our stomach, what it happens, this is esophagus. Esophagus, it is nothing but an throat region. Okay, below the throat region, till that stomach, tube like structure, it is there, that is called as esophagus, through which a food, whatever we are eating, it will be entering inside this esophagus. And then this is that stomach lining. So here usually acid it will be produced, and what it happens, the thing whatever it is coming inside, it will be contracted, the stomach, it will be just getting contracted with the material. And after that, what it happens, if that acid level it is more, okay, that thing whatever we are just taking in that the acid level, if it is more, and then if it is more means what will happen, that acidic level it will be getting more, and again it will be just that pain and everything, it will be again moving into that whole region itself, either to that esophagus and all that stomach region. Okay, everything it will be getting affected. So this is what the acidity, this is what it is specially called as acidity. And then this acid level, it can be just maintained only by taking that medicine called antacid. Okay.